It all started with an idea. I had absolutely no intentions of making a YouTube channel, let alone have any reason to believe it would go anywhere. I simply wanted to make a video on how to make a concrete countertop the way I was taught, with my own special twist. The more I filmed and edited, the more I learned. The more I learned, the more immersed and dedicated I became, and the more fun I had. But I still couldn't help but wonder, will people like this video? Will people hate it? I was so scared and so excited because I had never done anything like this before. After about a month and a half of uploading my first tutorial, the video went viral, and you guys embraced this channel with open arms. You guys sent in the most amazing comments, and I absolutely loved each and every single one of them. Then pictures of projects you did based off of my videos, and the stories started rolling in. Stories of triumph and success, and how I gave you guys confidence to do these things. But it was all of you that gave me confidence. You gave me confidence to keep moving forward and to keep creating. You lit a fire in me and helped me rediscover myself. In only 6 short months with only 5 small videos, we hit 100,000 subscribers. I didn't turn this into a community. You did. This community is growing at an exponential rate, and I couldn't have done it without you. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Thank you so much. This milestone doesn't represent hard work. It represents an idea and what an idea can do. It represents the fire that you and I lit together and grew into something magnificent. It's proof of concept. So here's to the next 100,000 subscribers. Here's to getting inspired and turning our ideas into reality. Here's to lighting a fire in our minds and creating something that inspires others. Now get out there and make something cool. And the best part is, we're just getting started. So, I was waiting until I got my play button to upload this video. Haven't gotten it from YouTube yet, so I made my own damn play button out of concrete. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Before we get into the giveaway, which I'm very excited about, I wanted to announce that we now have Michael Builds merch. That's right. We've got t-shirts, we have coffee mugs, both right and left-handed. That's a joke, by the way. Baseball caps and some really nice hoodies. So if you wanted to show some support to the channel, purchasing some Michael Builds merch is a great way to do it. I would appreciate it, and my family would greatly appreciate it. Now, get into why you're here. We are gonna give away this awesome Milwaukee toolkit, so you can use the Sawzall to take your pallets apart and the impact driver to put them back together. So thank you to Vaughn and Adam for donating these tools to the channel. You guys rock. To enter to win this guy, there will be a link in the description down below. The only thing that I require is for you guys to be subscribed to the channel. We're gonna run the contest for about 2 weeks, and then I'll announce the winner in the next video, which, by the way, guys, I am so sorry that I do not produce content on a consistent basis. I still have a full-time job, which I'm very passionate about, and I am a husband and a father, which I am also very passionate about. But I just wanted to celebrate this milestone by doing an awesome giveaway and to show you guys my appreciation. So good luck to you guys. Thank you, and I will see you guys in the next video.